Welcome back. Well, there are many different skincare lines out there, and we know by now that they're not all created equal. Well, beauty expert and guest host Mickey Williams is here to tell us what makes DefenAge Skincare different. Mickey, this is a great name. I love it.
Yes, because we all want to defend age, right?
Yes,
like,
absolutely.
I love the name.
So how do they do it? How does it work?
Well, it really is incredible because it's very technology driven, okay? And what it's working with is like peptide technology and these things called age repair defensins. All right, so I want to show you this little video of how it actually works, because what makes it so different is not only just repairing like the old cells that you have, it's actually working with creating new cells.
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
What this is happening right now is over a 6-week period, what you're going to see is basically the dramatic results, all right? It's going to minimize pores, wrinkles, but it's also going to improve this kind of like firmness and tone. It's going to really help lines and textures. But what it does is it has this mechanism, okay? And this mechanism actually will go through your skin, but will also target the hair follicle, okay? Wow. So what is going on is these age repair defensins that go through basically your pores and that kind of hair follicle, and underneath that has these dormant stem cells. Okay, so what it does is it goes in there and it kind of activates these dormant stem cells, and it makes them awake and it makes them work again and create new cells. That's why we've never seen anything like this before.
Using our own cells, that's great.
Exactly, so it's basically making your own body wake up and create new cells, but also help repair the cells that you have. It's groundbreaking. You're finding it in more and more offices. What's incredible about this product is that it's doing something completely different than what we've ever seen. We've always seen that we want to kind of roll back the hands of time by kind of repairing what we already have. We haven't really actively gone in there and done this with, we're creating new cells.
Well, and the results, though, I understand are incredible.
Yes,
that's what we love to see. So let's take a look, and you can kind of walk us through a little bit of what the results are here.
Yeah, now take a look at this. Now this is after just 15 weeks. And what you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing basically, this is after 15 years of difference in age. And it's happening after just 4 weeks. Now I want you to look at what's happening here. It's working on those global signs of aging. What it's doing is it's working on pore size, it's working on fine lines and wrinkles, deep wrinkles, but it's also working in tone, texture, smoothness, firmness. We're seeing a different visible. This is not a laser treatment. This is a skincare company. Okay, that's why it's so groundbreaking.
Oh, there goes
Go ahead and take a look at this.
Yeah.
Now this is 6 weeks. This is the pinnacle point where they're saying you are going to see results. Do you know how little 6 weeks is to see results? Even if you go and you have a laser, you're going to have to wait many, many weeks just to see the actual benefits of that. This is 6 weeks with this protocol of these 3 products. It's unbelievable.
So introduce us to the products here. So I understand it starts with an eye cream.
Yes. Now we have this beautiful 2 new products that the line has introduced. Okay, they had their kind of three system over there that we'll get to in a second, but these 2 new products are really just kind of unbelievable. They created this 3D Eye Radiance, and this product is incredible. Joey, do you see that little tip right there on that product? What we love about this product, really and truly, is that it's going to basically create, take away the darkness. It's going to lift and firm and kind of smooth out those upper eyelids, which we haven't really seen products targeted to in the past.
And I love the applicator, the nice coolness. Talk to us about the cleanser here.
Yes, the cleanser's great. It's a prebiotic cleanser. This is basically a 1-step multi-cleanse. I love this product, Linda, because it's 1 step. You don't have to like take off with a micellar water. This basically melts all your makeup. It takes everything off in 1 wash, and then it treats the skin and preps the skin for the rest of the remainder of the products that are going in there. That cleanser is out of this world.
Wow.
We have been talking about it. Now their other product that they have over there, which is their 2-minute reveal, that's actually an award-winning product. This 2-minute reveal is basically it has a little bit of a texture to it. You're going to wash your face, and what it's going to do is you're going to do it for 2 minutes. It's going to basically loosen up the skin and create, another kind of effect where you can get the next products that are going in there.
And
that
this is all
won a lot of
this is all part of this comes in the kit.
It comes
in
now
the
in this
all-in-one
all-in-one kit.
We even have a list of all of the different products that are in the kit, which is great.
Yes, absolutely. So in that kit, you're going to get the 2-minute reveal mask. You're going to get the barrier balance cream, which is also something that everyone's going crazy for. The 8-in-1 bio serum, which is really what's eight different kind of benefits in 1 serum. That's why it's so incredible. You also have the 1-step multi-cleanse with natural prebiotics, and you have that new 3D Eye Radiance cream that everyone's going crazy for because it works on all of those signs: darkness, puffiness, that kind of lid hang that you're seeing. Again, you're seeing all of that there.
And where can we find the products?
Yep, you can actually, we have 2, you can go to DefenAge.com to find out, but you also have 2 doctors right in the Tampa area. You have an Adam Shiner who's he's got this eyelid and kind of surgery practice that's right here in Tampa, but you also have another practice that's right around here in Tampa, but you can go online and you can look for everything and find everything there. with the DefenAge.com.
So there's a physician locator you can find right on
or
online.
you can just go on and purchase the product right from there. I'm telling you, I'm using it and I'm seeing incredible results, and I can't wait for you guys to try it.
How great for the new year, new skin, new cells. This is wonderful.
Like
Well, for more information about the product line and to find the physician in our area, you can go to DefenAge.com. Coming up next, we have a big thrill. We're going to meet the superstar Tony Orlando.